I was rear-ended at a red light. They hit me from behind. I was knocked out. I had bruises here, my knees. I had back surgery, so. I love Richard. I love Richard. He's treated me like family. He's welcomed me. He's understood everything without even having to speak. He knew exactly what I wanted, and it has been a very pleasant experience, and he got the job done. She's great. She has been on it. Every paperwork, everything has been there. She stayed in constant contact. Be more like Richard. That is a good rule of thumb. Be like Richard. It took nothing for him to just do it, and straight to the point. He negotiated, he did the job. Mr. Beach Brooks, he was amazing too. He was there right by my side the whole time. Very kind, very professional, very sweet. It was like the best of both worlds with those two.